After only one session of this massage, I went from this to this. I will show you an easy and fast way to lift this area today, naturally. First, I'm applying cleansing oil from Riemann called Percel Cleansing Oil. I have the link down below. You can also use oil such as a Rosehip oil or an Argan oil, as long as your hands are gliding well against your skin. Before we start the lotion part, let's do the lymphatic massage to clear out this area. This is important before we do the face massage, so that the fluid in the upper area has somewhere to go when we massage. I haven't been doing any massages on my smile lines lately, and the cheek sagging started happening. Your lymphatic system sits right underneath the skin, so you do not need to press very deeply. You have to be careful because you have some delicate structures like nerves and arteries. Massage the acupressure point in front of your ear, then discharge the waist onto the clavicle area. Use 2 fingers to lift the jawline and the cheek area. Use one hand to lift the cheekbone and the other hand to glide across to the ear. This movement is great for strengthening the skin elasticity and smoothing out the nasolabial folds. Lift the upper cheekbone with one hand and using the other hand to smooth out the under eye. Snap your fingers up quickly to stimulate and strengthen the elasticity of your skin. Please consider supporting me by liking and subscribing to my channel so that I can make more videos like this one. This movement not only lifts the forehead, but also the whole face. Would you please consider subscribing and liking my channel? Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, bye!